kamano. Ka wadhi mbele nyaka Ramogi joma yudo ni kwana mar ji mowito ngimagi masira mar apaya ma Naivasha omedore nyaka 17 ka ji adek mane yudo thieth e osiptende ma opogore ne owito ngimagi. Ji 10 omotho gin mawuok e Mbalariany mar Pwani. Mbalariany no koro ochungo somo mage kawuono ka giriwre kod anyuola mag joma owito ngimagi e kuyo ni. Jatend weche thieth e kaunti ma Nakuru Jacqueline Osore ne olero ni nyaka sani gisethiedho ji maromo 76 kama 12 ne oring oter e osiptende mamoko. Jopuonjrego ne dhi e tuke mag hockey Mbalariany ma Eldoret.
Out of that accident, we received 92 victims to Naivasha Hospital, where 76 passed through the casualty, and unfortunately we lost 17 patients. Currently, we have transferred some to Kenyatta, 7 to Kenyatta National Hospital for specialized treatment. We have taken 2 to Nakuru Teaching and Referral Hospital. In Naivasha, we have admitted 9 patients, and 1 was referred to Kijapu Hospital. Among the fatalities, 10 were from the bus and 7 were missing.
We have received a lot of people giving blood since morning when the accident occurred. From one, we have been receiving so many patients from Naivasha, sub-county and its environment. And we thank those who have donated their blood.
Kwa bahati mbaya ni kama basi yetu brakes zilifail. So the driver alituinform that guys, kila mtu aweke belt juu ni kama alijua. And then after tumevaa alikuwa anang'ang'ana kuicontrol, anashika anaingia kwa hizo pumps kama ita slow down, lakini bado ni kama haikuwa inawezekana.
Dereva moro mar gach